Well, here we go again. Look at that. Happy birthday, Bob. Oh, it's the birthday boy. Oh my
Got
God.
a little warm, didn't it?
Yeah.
A little hot to trot?
Yes, it did. I don't have a flame adjustment on it. Come on, light. Thank you. Okay, happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bob. Happy birthday to you.
And many more. A couple more.
Hey, I got.
Thank you guys.
We got a little present.
Yeah, we got presents for you. Got to open those up.
Oh, I got a logo.
Oh,
Look at this.
nice.
Pearl has to see your shirt. Now I gotta say, oh, you even had it sized for me.
Yeah,
I'm
big.
gonna have to adjust it.
Big.
Very nice.
Big head.
Oh, nobody wanted to say that.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There's a card there. You missed the card.
A special card.
Oh,
A card for a card.
Yeah.
I'm full of them
who writes
today.
your material? Happy birthday, Bob. We wish you the very best in the coming year. Happy birthday. Love you, Tom and Lori. Love you guys too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Morning. Cheers. Love
I
you.
Love you. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes, it is. Happy Saturday.
Well,
Thank you, everybody, for being here with us today. We appreciate that. Thank you for watching. See my little picture frame thingies? Aren't they cute? Just so you know where you are with Tom and Lori RV Life. That's us.
oh,
Yeah, that's who you are.
those idiots.
Yeah, that's us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and click that bell to get notified whenever we put out a new video. Leave us a thumbs up and a comment and share us with all of your friends and family that you want to torment.
Or the new way to say it, give us a thumbs up yours.
What? No. That's rude.
Sorry.
That's rude.
Sorry.
Well, we came to you last week on Sunday, so we already recapped last Saturday. So we'll start on Sunday.
Ay, ay,
We had
ay.
our chat video with you. That was fun. It's always fun to do a different day, a different kind. We were just kind of busy doing stuff in Quartzsite,
Yeah.
right? So also on Sunday we kind of cleaned up and packed up, and we visited with our neighbor Ken.
In Quartzsite.
In Quartzsite, yep, he was our neighbor, and he's actually one of those
Paramotor flyers.
pilots, yeah.
Pilot.
And he does know the guy that crashed his. As a matter of fact, we were watching that guy because he was right behind us. They were taking off from the next wash over from us, just right near us.
Yeah, if you don't know, one of them crashed.
One of them crashed.
And he was injured.
He was injured. He was at the hospital for a few days. He's okay. He actually got a stick stuck in his neck, which sounds horrible. Ugh. But
Yeah, Ken was telling us, he said, was it an inch? Maybe less than an inch? Either way. And he wouldn't be with us today.
Yeah, it was very close.
It was amazing.
Very close. But he's okay. So I know anybody that was in Quartzsite, a lot of people heard about it.
Yeah.
Some people saw it. But it was, we were worried when we saw it. It was like, okay, our neighbor is fine.
Yeah.
But all of the guys' camp area was cleaned up. So it was like, okay, that's the guy, because
has to be.
somebody had said that they had come and got all of his things.
But we had a pretty good visit with Ken.
We did. We
a couple
did.
times.
Yes,
so.
we did. So nice guy to camp next to. Nice
Yeah.
and quiet. Got to watch him do his paramotor stuff. So that was fun.
Yeah.
Never know who you're going to meet or where you're going to stay next to in Quartzsite.
That's true.
All
and
kinds
then
of fun
later
stuff.
in the afternoon.
Yeah, Brian came to visit us. Thank you, Brian, for coming back after we had a short little tiny visit with you when we had company the other day.
He decided to just spend the night.
Yeah, he did.
Pulled up his van and said, "Can I stay?" It's like, hello, of course you can stay.
It's Quartzsite for one thing, and for two, of course you can. So we got all the stuff packed up outside because we were planning to travel the next day,
Yep.
leaving Quartzsite. So on Monday we headed back down to Yuma, and we got reset up and just kind of rested. Kind of a
Didn't
little
really do anything.
decompressed day. Actually, the next day was a very lazy day. Tuesday, I couldn't really think of anything that we did or
No,
not. Just
it
kind
was a
of
kickback. Hey, we're just here. We're
yeah.
just here day.
We're just here, back down in Yuma. Just
Those are good days.
on Wednesday, we had a fun day planned.
Yes.
As you saw, we sang "Happy Birthday" to Bob.
Yeah.
We were a couple weeks late because we were not in the area.
Next exits, just
Yes.
passing through.
Bob and Pearl. So we were going over there for dinner, and we had to stop by the Walmart.
Bob should change the name of his channel to "Still Passing Through."
We had to stop by there. I wanted to get one of their chocolate cakes that all four of us really like.
Ugh.
So when we were there at the bakery, hey Tom! Oh no, what did he say to you?
Oh,
He says, I know
this-
you're off duty.
I'm
or something.
I'm standing there, and this guy kind of comes up beside me, and he goes, "Hey," I turn around, kind of halfway looked at him, and he says, "I know you're off the clock right now." And before he could say anything, kind of under my breath, I wasn't sure he heard me, and I said, "I don't work here."
But that's not what he meant, right?
That's not what he meant.
He meant off the clock from YouTube.
Yes.
So, who was it that we met? Carlos and Rose.
Yes.
It was wonderful
Carlos
meeting
first.
you. Yeah, Carlos.
It was so funny.
Yeah.
You know, he's like, "Hold on, it's Tom and Lori, right?" And I said, "Oh yeah."
You had him confused.
It doesn't take much.
But it was great meeting you. And we want to let everybody know that if you see us out and about, please say hello.
Say something.
Please say hello.
And even if you're in Walmart, pick up an apple and throw it at me or something.
At him. Make sure you're a good shot.
Hey, you!
Oh, goodness. So it was great meeting them. We got to give them some stickers and say
Yes.
hello. Got a picture with them,
Yes.
as you saw. And we love meeting everyone.
Yeah.
So on our way to Bob and Pearl's, she made chicken tacos.
Oh my gosh, it
so
was so
yummy.
good. Oh.
So yummy. So yummy. And we got in 2 games of Mexican Train.
Yes, we did.
We did. You
That was
won
a
the
fun afternoon.
first game.
First.
Then we had
and then Pearl.
supper. And then Pearl won.
Pearl ran away with it.
She did.
Poor Bob.
It was his birthday celebration and everything.
That Mexican Train just ran over him.
Ran right over him. That's okay. He's got more opportunities coming up. Coming up.
Yes, we do.
So on Thursday we went back to Walmart. We went to a different one.
Yeah.
There's used to be called neighborhood markets. I don't think they call them that anymore. They're just a smaller grocery store. But we went there. We needed to get some cash to go to Los Algodones
We're getting ready
tomorrow.
We're getting ready to cross the border.
Yeah, we just want to go for lunch. That's
Yeah.
all we're going to do this time. Is just
Yeah.
go in, go to Molka's, and come back.
Yeah.
But we need to have cash. Cash is also king in Mexico.
Yes, it is.
In Los Algodones. So, you had a work meeting,
Yeah, we did
and then we went for the drive before we actually went to Walmart.
Yeah, but we
went to
scoped out
scope
the boondocking spot that we've been on before here, not Christmas Island area, but the new boondocking spot, just to make sure it's still available, because once we're done here at this RV park, we're going to head back out to the desert.
Head back out boondocking, yes. And then we went and did a fun thing here at the park. They have activities, of course, like most of them do, and it was card bingo. So
You ever played card bingo?
What are you looking for? The baggie of
Yeah,
cash?
I'm looking.
It's up there, right behind the Brio box.
You ever played card bingo? You start, well, you got nickels, dimes, quarters.
3 nickels, 3 dimes, 3 quarters, and a dollar bill.
And a dollar bill.
So we went. It's not all there.
Oh, it's close.
It's close. Yeah, I've got money set aside for breakfast this morning. So we go. It's like, okay, tell us how it's played, and they told us how it's played. So we had 2 other people sit with us. So you sit 4 people at a table with 1 deck of cards. If you've never played before, so you deal out the whole deck to the 4 people, so 13 cards each.
Yeah.
And you just lay them out on the table in front of you, and then somebody is calling out the cards.
Yeah.
And so everybody else at different tables has their own deck of cards.
King of clubs.
And then you flip that one into the center pile.
Queen of hearts.
Yep. And then whoever finishes first, bingo.
Jack of spades.
So the nickels go by, and a couple of us got close.
Nobody
And then
won.
the dimes go by, and I
Nobody
kept saying, that's okay. We want the big money anyway, right? so we're going through, and then the last quarter pot. It was the last quarter pot, right?
Yeah.
So the last quarter pot, Tom won.
How much did I win? $3. No,
It was $4.
because I had to split the pot with somebody else.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
I want me some laundry money. Quarters.
So you invest $2.20 is basically what
But
it is. And then
the final game,
with the dollar bill.
you throw
I
$1 in the pot, and guess who wins it all? From everybody that played.
Yep, it was like $32 or something like that. So yay, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. 2 married but single people came in to play, and so they sat with us. And the gal said that she played this at another RV park, and she won the dollar jackpot.
Yeah.
Comes home to her husband and says,
Because
look what I won.
it's all ones.
It's all ones.
It's like, where the hell have you been? What pole have you been on?
I'm glad my husband was with me, so he knows where I really did get those dollar bills. So it was pretty fun. We'll probably go back this week. I think we'll go back again.
It was fun.
So it's low key, super easy, and it was just fun to go. But when we got there kind of early, since we wanted to know the lay of the land, how things go, how you play. And there was another couple that was already sitting at a table there.
Oh, geez, you're going to tell this?
Well, kind of, yeah. So we get there, and she's got the little daubers.
She's got her
the
daubers.
bingo, and something else. I think little containers probably of money. But Tom and I was like, oh, we don't have daubers. I hope they have extra ones. I didn't think you needed that with card bingo, but because we had played years and years ago. Wasn't sure about it. But anyway, so the lady talked to one of the people that was kind of running it, and she said, so I think the lady that runs it kind of saw the dauber and says, oh, well, this is card bingo. And the lady says, card bingo? I don't like card bingo. I don't think we're going to stay.
Well, she was not happy.
She was not happy. It was so funny. And they left. She and her husband left.
But she had more choice words than just that. She was not happy
She was
at
not
all.
happy.
And it's like,
But-
it's bingo.
And it says it on the activity sheet, card bingo. But anyway.
You don't have to stay. Vamos.
Yeah, nobody's forcing you. Ooh, we're getting a flyby again.
I don't think so.
I hear it. You
No.
don't hear it?
No, that's a train.
Okay. All right. We had a really good couple of flybys yesterday at Osprey.
Yeah.
Yep. So yesterday we went to go exchange a couple things. I wrote down on there what it is, but we're going to
You'll-
wait for the video.
You'll see this Wednesday what we had. We didn't even mention that we had to exchange anything on the video.
No.
So they're water bottles, and that's all we're going to tell you. You'll see the video. It's part of the What Up Wednesday video coming up at 2 o'clock this Wednesday.
Yep. I did another little thing, some plant arranging.
Yes.
You'll see that. Then we went for a long walk.
Yes, we did. And that's part of the video.
Yeah, it is part of the video
Yes.
too. When we would stay at Ogilvy Road, on our way back toward into Yuma, there was always this big rectangle sign that was very faded, and it's like couldn't really tell what it was or what it said. And I always thought that it was something, and I wanted to go and see it. And I knew we could walk down this frontage road.
You're not going to tell them.
I'm not gonna
You'll
tell
find out Wednesday what we think it is and what we want you to help us try to identify.
Yes, yes.
2 o'clock Wednesday. What Up Wednesday?
Yeah. So you did some video stuff, worked on that
Yeah.
What If Wednesday video, and I did a little tiny bit of work stuff, and that kind of took up our day. We sat outside for happy hour,
Yeah.
happy hour for a
Yeah,
little bit.
Our happy hour.
Our happy hour with water or tea. But it was a beautiful day yesterday.
It
I
was.
actually got hot.
Awesome. And
It's beautiful.
it's finally starting to warm up like it's supposed to be down in this area, around the Yuma area. It's supposed to be in the high 70s, even the low 80s for a couple days this next week. So she's she doesn't like it. This boy's loving it.
Time for tank tops.
Oh my gosh.
So that kind of sums up our week.
How was your
this
week?
How was your week?
Let us know in the comments below.
There you go. All right, everybody. Happy Saturday. Have a great week.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Are we going to talk about last Wednesday's video at any point?
It's not on there, but if you want to.
And what was it?
You're the one that does it all.